Good afternoon, welcome to BTP yet again. Michael Jenkins, Director BTP. It's a Saturday. Why am I making a message at Facebook Live on a Saturday? Well, my watch is lit up. My watch, not lit up now, there we go, lit up. And my watch says server down. It says there's a problem. So start the SMSs, start contacting staff, start getting people out to look at servers. At BTP, we monitor servers 24/7. We poll servers, we poll routers, we poll printers, anything that can actually get a response, NAS units, anything, doesn't matter, and it reports back to us every 15 minutes. If a server's down, it alerts me via SMS to my watch and my phone and puts a ticket into our helpdesk system. So we're straight onto it. We know before anyone's at work on Monday to know that their server went down. Could have been a power failure, lightning strike, someone hit a Stoby pole, Windows update that failed, anything could have happened. But we try and find out before you find out Monday morning. So BTP monitoring, by the way, it's free. We do it for all our clients. So as soon as we get a new client on board, we hook their server in and away we go for this type of monitoring. We do have other monitoring that's paid for, but to actually poll the servers, make sure they're alive so we know what's going on, that's all done for free. Right, now what else would you like to see monitored? We already monitor backups and also antivirus and UPSs and all the rest of it in our paid for system. But is there something we're missing? Something we should be monitoring? Something you'd like us to be on top of? Let us know. And if of course you find what we do as a useful service, be sure to share this video with others. Yep, again, it's a Saturday. So we've got guys out there fixing a server on a Saturday, their day off, ready to recharge from Monday. And I'm going to go back and do some weeding because I'm not needed anymore. The guys are pretty cool. They're out there doing it right now. So have a great Saturday and we'll tune in again Monday. Have a good one.